Hey, what's up? In this video, I want to give you my simple workflow for editing photos every single time I'm trying to do photo editing. So this is what I do whenever I'm trying to edit photos daily as a photographer. So the very first step I do is, first of all, selecting the images or the photos that I need for that given editing period or session. So I make sure I go through all the photos taken and I select out the raw files. So usually selecting the photos takes a lot of time when you're trying to do the culling and selecting the best photos that you need, because as photographers we tend to take more photos because we want to have a wide choice from which we can select the photos. So oftentimes we tend to take so many photos at the end of it. Also, I do the selection, then after the selection, the next step that I tend to do is simply going to Captureone. So I use Captureone as a raw processing software to do the processing of the raw files. So I use Captureone to process the raw files. So in Captureone, basically what I do, I go to Captureone and I select those images and import them in Captureone. And in Captureone, I do the first step of color correction. And by color correction, I mean I do the correction of the white balance. Then also I do a little bit of contrast and light adjustments to those images. Then I do the skin tone balancing still in Captureone. So for that skin tone balancing, I use the skin tone tool. Then I mask out images and I do the first step of color grading. So I work on the skin tones, then I fix the colors accordingly, still in Captureone. Then I'll take the photos to Photoshop for me to do the next adjustment, which is the skin retouching and any adjustments that I need to work on those very images. So in Photoshop, I do frequency separation. I also do the eye and teeth whitening. Then I do another step for color grading. That is basically in a selected way, that is fixing the blacks, the whites where necessary. I also do the dodging and burning. Then finally, I save those images. So that is basically my kind of workflow for editing photos as a photographer. So in case you have a different workflow, you can let me know in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe in case you're watching and you aren't subscribed to this channel. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in 8 more videos on this channel. Don't forget to keep practicing and as well keep creating.